Alright, so we're there at Jamaica. And we help children to gain back their speech. Yeah man, where the system called autism, Zane. And we work on the symptoms. It's simple, you know. People think it's a big thing. All we do, I remove the mercury from the left hemisphere of the brain, clean the gut of the child. I will just teach the parents how to create a nutritional schedule to maneuver how the child eat. Now, you know what, at the biggie, me get to realize we have more autistic adults in Jamaica than children. Yes, whole heap of man them and woman in Jamaica speech delay. You remember one time people could have come and stand up at one place in Jamaica and it's not seems as if it Americanized. People could have come and everybody just start talking and people find out say yeah for me cousin whatever. When you come right now in a Jamaica and there one place, everybody turn up and look upon one another. And I thought then I want to talk to you. You know, so the shit of the gut, the colon of the gut, is connected to the speech, to your throat chakra. There's a connection. So if you're not shit properly, you talk less and you're more aggressive. Yo, people, we have the package same way for adult them. Yeah, man, we have the colon cleanse and the heavy metal detox. Yeah, man, and we have the gut cleanser for you just the same. And the magnesium for spray over your body. But me not tell no lie, the one ya kind of eat me. Because it went right in front of my eyes and me overlook it. Why some adults just not talk, none at all. It can link to trauma just the same. But me I tell you, majority of them connected to the shit way in their gut. Because we are cultured in Jamaica that rice are food. And rice dry out your blood. And rice dry out the nutrients out of the last remaining of your feces in your large intestine will become feces. The whole heap we crave too much at Jamaica. So the whole heap eating session, morning, noon, and at night you feel peckish, but you only have one truckload of food. Your organs now get no rest. Therefore, everybody got, majority of Jamaicans got clog up with the rice and peas culture. Yeah man, so people not talk to people again. And all this time we think say, I talk people don't want to talk to people. I talk them can't talk to people. You can't express yourself if you close the mouth of your gut. It connected to your mouth on your head because the colon is the mouth. If it's stagnant, your mouth lock. You can't express yourself. And it also connected to your left hemisphere brain. We have to do with comprehension skill. That's why if you notice, majority of Jamaican adult them now, if you try to have a conversation with them, it turn out in a quarrel. Because majority of constipation problem. And overseas too. But guess what? Nobody no want to call a spade a spade. Them prefer go to doctor and take some full prescription and hurt their other organs. When we are going to put on your pride, may I tell you, any day pride and shame can go to supermarket or Walmart to buy some food, may we take you. But for right now, pride not have no value. Yeah man, if you're seeking change and you're looking for a transformation by one book read, Earth Book 1, check out my new book on Amazon, local here in Jamaica, $5,000, and it's also on the website.